Okay, get ready and go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a half.
For uneducated movie makers and even viewers who have been watching movies for quite a long time, it just doesn't make sense to them. Most people don't have the depth of the power to comprehend the amazing amount of information. For uneducated movie makers and even viewers who have been watching movies for quite a long time, it just for uneducated movie makers and even viewers who have been watching movies for quite a long time, it just doesn't make sense to them. Most people don't have the depth of the power to comprehend. For uneducated movie makers and even viewers who have been watching movies for quite a long time, for uneducated movie makers and even viewers who have jump, a new level in movie making, and I'm rather quite impressed with myself for doing that.
We created Cine Club in 1997, and it quickly became very popular. This program of classic films helps students think critically about film. And some of our most enthusiastic students began to imagine making a future in film, but they needed films to submit to film school. That was the reason we created Film Workshop. In 1999, filmmakers Christian Schneider and David Driver collaborated with me to help 14 students produce their own films. Those students produced a remarkable 28 films, many which have been shown in film festivals ever since. We feel its success has something to do with our approach. We put professional filmmakers to work one-on-one, helping students develop their projects rather than just giving a student a camera and letting him figure it out. Students are given a rigorous introduction on how to think about their ideas. We cover visual composition, themes, storyboarding, lighting, and design. Students began with 2 simple assignments. The first is a place film simply about atmosphere. This is usually the first time students have ever used a camera or worked with an editor. The second is called Person plus Place because they join a character, atmosphere, and action. This becomes their first narrative film. Advanced students are encouraged to produce more complex narratives or documentaries. The following scenes show the workshop in progress. Same shot you saw before with the horse and him. Remember when the people were in front and you put an arrow going that way, meaning that the camera's moving this way and those people are moving that way. That would help you. He's dolling, and these people here mean that he's in the middle and this is way, way in the background. So what you have is a 3-dimensional piece of sculpture that you're looking at. This is one of these things that Kurosawa does better than almost anybody else. He really understands this, and this is one of the things that defines his style. Okay, here, you don't have to deal with all those people at all. You just put where the bridge is, and you put a lot of little figures standing on there, the negative space around, and then you'll be able to fill in these rest. Because this is an easy one, but it isn't easy if you don't get the negative space right. Okay, and so you'll never be able to have this much, because you can't read it otherwise. Now, here is a perfect one from Derek, and he would say main figure, or something like that, to indicate what this is. But what makes it fabulous is for him to bring somebody into the frame in front of them and let that movement pass them, you see, that way, and that makes it
keys lay on the ground. Outside on a lawn, a girl wrestles with a book. He is so frightened he doesn't notice and starts emptying the contents of his backpack into the locker.
Cut it down.
No, wait. Let's discuss what this film's about.
People's ideas about other people reflected in themselves. It's about hypocrisy.
There's a glow of light coming from the locker room's bathroom. Following a path of water and blood leads to a stall, which reveals a badly beaten young black athlete who's dripping wet.
You not think, look, see this,
Yes.
and then see about, there's too much of always this.
I just thought of it when yesterday when I saw pictures.
Mhm.
When I want to start eating it. I want to start here, that's the open chest, and then go sideways to the other pole, and then go down to the hand, and go down to the foot.
Pictures are really bad, they suck, I don't know if to show them, but, you know.
Okay.
Well, they are really bad, but, you know, I mean, I took them at a really bad time of day.
What's your interpretation is going to be different. That's all.
And also how you're progressing through the space. Like what he was saying before about linking the objects together. How do you reveal where you are?
So it's like creating a little narrative film with just detail about letting our imaginations move. You see, and that's, I think, you know, sort of what you're headed for here. Oh my goodness, these are terrific.
That's what I said.
And he wants to do
You
these
have to
longer
think of what
minutes.
those movements are going to reveal. Like if you're going to start on a star and then move to the edge of a laundry thing, see,
But
and then
there
if
are
you
also
stop-
photographs on the walls of movie stars.
Yeah, and they're all in black and white, which makes it even more interesting. Is if it's a color film, it sort of like keeps the colors so austere and really good. I just think it's a terrific idea, and I think that you.
Sorry I'm late. You don't mind, do you? I didn't think so, she whispers. A boy about her age returns the smile. God, you look great. Did it hurt when you fell from heaven? He asks quietly.
About putting it through like.
Zoom up. So when you check your focus, you zoom all the way in, then set it.
And voila.
It's not going to affect him. I'll move it out of the way.
It affects the light.
I want to wait so that, you know, just kind of waiting for him to see his reaction. So like count to 4 or something. Action.
Did it hurt when you fell from heaven?
Why wait?
Okay, you're just building up the anticipation. You're really nervous about what she's saying. And then after she said, well, on her "you're right" line, you're really relieved because you weren't sure if she was going to slap you or like,
Right.
Action.
Your left. You have to go in. Okay, now turn your face the other way.
Okay.
There it is, right there. And keep it to, yeah, right there. That's where you want. That's all right. The kiss is going to be right there.
Nobody's looking. Nobody look!
Filming it.
I'm gonna put lipstick on her side too.
I don't think she put.